If you're not saving all the money you can on your Louisiana auto insurance, it just might be time to bench your coach. Hi, this is Mark Kearns with Main Street Business Pro. And in this video, I want to tell you about a new and different concept that's creating quite a buzz in the Louisiana auto insurance business. It all started with a follow-up interview that I did with John Shaver of LouisianaAutoInsuranceNow.com. Now you might remember John as the guy who gave you the 7 quick tips for lowering your Louisiana auto insurance premium. Well, it seems that John was just warming up with new ideas when we did that video. You see, John explained that there was basically 2 different ways most insurance agents conducted business. One way was to simply take the order. That is, a customer walked in the door looking for cheap Louisiana auto insurance. An agent basically gave them what they wanted, without any thought to their long-term needs or if that particular policy would give them, their family, or their employees the right protection. You know, the one time you don't want to find out if you have the right coverage is right after an accident. But that's exactly when most people find out, and that education can actually bankrupt you. Louisiana courts can hand out a judgment that will follow you, your family, even your business for the next 10 years or more. But if the customer doesn't know what to ask, and the agent only wants to make a sale to meet their quota, that's when you know you're about to have a busted play. Now, John takes an entirely different approach. He calls it insurance coaching. Now, how's that for a new twist? He explained that they look at each person as a long-term client, not a short-term customer. They want to develop a long-term relationship where they can help and guide, coach the person along until they have the right coverage. That's what he calls insurance coaching. He also realizes that if he doesn't produce good results for his clients, that relationship is over, and they're out the door, and he's out of a coaching job. He wasn't shy about admitting that certain companies were good for certain types of needs, but not so good for others. One size doesn't fit all. He said the big advantage of being independent was he could go out and get the companies that matched the best with the particular needs of his clients. After getting all of the information on his clients' personal, family, and business auto needs, he coaches them on how to get the most from their insurance protection, the coverage they need in the short and long term, and what to avoid. John said having lots of companies associated with his agency makes it simple to match people's real needs with the right companies, kind of like knowing how to match personnel for the right kind of play. He also said that when you have the right Louisiana auto coverage, you have the peace of mind in knowing you're protected, your family and employees are protected, and you saved a whole bunch of money being a wise shopper. When the kids go out at night, when your family or your employees are on the road, they're covered, and you don't have to wait until a claim to find that out. In football, the right coach knows how to call the right play when all's on the line, when everyone is counting on the results. In insurance, the right coach knows which coverage to call when the most important thing in the world is on the line. You, your family, and your employees. Listen, don't get caught with a sack. Get on a team of some proven winners. See what pro-level insurance coaching with John Shaver and the insurance coaches at Shaver Robichaux Insurance Services can do for your franchise. One call could provide you, your kids, your family, even your employees out on the road with the right coverage, while you look like one shrewd shopper with all the money you'll save. Why not take him up on his free 15-minute, no-obligation Louisiana auto insurance consultation? And don't forget to claim your free video on 7 ways to lower your cost of your auto insurance. See how he runs his team and how it feels to know that you're in a game of life with a pro-level insurance coach. Go to www.LouisianaAutoInsuranceNow.com. Thanks.